There is one fact we know in science, that if you ask a wrong question, you cannot get the right answer. And the beginning of the universe, when the question how everything started is a wrong question. Now I will explain why it's a wrong question. Because there is no physical time. The beginning of the universe is including the idea that there is a physical time and everything has started long ago in some physical past. But there is no physical past. Universal space is time invariant. Okay, so when I move an object, the object is moving only in space, which is time invariant. And the motion of the object I can measure with the clock. When I measure the motion of an object with the clock, then I get duration. Otherwise, in the universe, there is no duration. Duration is the result of measurement. So time is an emergent physical reality which enters existence when the observer is measuring something by using clocks. So this idea now, it's 80 years old, the beginning of the universe, how everything started from infinite small point and all this. This is absolute nonsense. And the James Webb Telescope has now discovered galaxies that are older than the universe. The fact is that universe never started. Universe will never finish. Universal space is not expanding. And universe is infinite. And the black holes are rejuvenating systems of the universe. This is the main thing. In the black holes in the central black holes in the center of galaxies, energy density of space is so low that atoms become unstable. They fall apart into elementary particles and they form a huge jets. And this energy of these jets is a fresh energy for the new beginning. This is how universe works. And it is unbelievable that actually, for me, how was possible that the idea of Big Bang enters science? This is not a scientific idea. This is a religious idea. Big Bang is not does not respect the first law of thermodynamics. Energy cannot be created and cannot be destroyed. The very idea that energy was created is not scientific. It's a religious idea. And then regarding the expanding of the universe, we never directly observe that universal space is expanding. We have a preprint on this, and I hope that we will publish this article soon. Thank you very much.